hi there, and then see you. So, have you ever wondered how to use do or make? I think about it a lot, and my students are confused. So before I record this video, I am going to do my hair before I make this video for you. I'm gonna fix this up, and I'll see you later. Hi again. Remember I said I would be right back after I do my hair, which is the action, and then after I make a hairstyle, which is the creation or the result. So because do and make in most instances and in most languages, you find that it's the exact same verb, so it's hard to distinguish the two. So I have a couple of notes here in front of me to help me try and help you to figure out the difference. For example, let's look at the grammatical rules of do. In the present simple, do is simply do. For example, I do, you do, he does, she does, it does, and so on and so forth. So these are just the singular forms of do. And then in the past simple, in past participle, it's a little bit different. So in the past simple, we have did for do, and in the past participle, it's done. And then in the continuous form of do, it would be doing. Now, do is most commonly used when you're talking about work. So the typical tasks like shopping or cleaning and reading, these are things that you do normally or activities that you do normally to finish something or to continue doing something. Also, do can be used with non-specific verbs, which are talking about, again, non-specific activities, such as something, nothing, everything, and anything. For example, the sentence like, I want to do something. It simply means you want to do something, but you haven't really said what it is. Like, I want to do the reading, I want to do the ironing, I want to do the cleaning. So it could be anything that the person wants to do. That's an action. And then if we look at nothing, for example, a sentence like, he does nothing during the weekend. It means that he simply doesn't move. He's all day resting. So the nothing is indicating the verb or action of not performing any activity at all. And then with everything. For example, I want to do everything. That means this person literally wants to do all kinds of activities possible. It might not mean they can achieve it or they can perform all these activities, but they want to actually move or perform or create or conduct something. And then looking at anything. So for example, if someone says, can I do anything to help? Because anything is most commonly used with negative sentences and questions. So when someone says, can I do anything to help you? Maybe you're struggling with something and they don't know what to help you with. But if they want to do anything for you, it simply means, let's say they want to take a walk with you or talk to you or comfort you in any way that they can think of. So do, again, is for performing activities or actions, obligations, or repetitive tasks like daily routines or actions that you do regularly. For example, I have to do my hair. So the do is replacing the verbs like brushing my hair or combing my hair or washing my hair or styling my hair or even fixing my hair. Another sentence is I'll do the bathroom. For example, this person is talking about cleaning the bathroom, dusting the bathroom, sweeping the bathroom, or even mopping the bathroom up. So the do replaces verbs or actions. Make, on the other hand, is used for the creation or construction or the production of something. For example, you want to make something, so you create it. Let's say I want to make a paper plane. So I can't really make a paper plane. Okay, here we have a successful paper plane. So we have made a paper plane. Now let's look at some grammatical rules of make. For example, make in the present simple is simply make. And then in the past simple, it's made. And in the past participle, it's also made. And in the continuous, it is making. So make is also used for when you want to select something, make a decision, or make a choice. For example, I have decided to make a choice on using this pen today, okay? And so another example is I am making this video for you. So the making is simply recording or filming this video. For example, if I ask my husband, can you help me make this video? So we are creating it together. Another example is I am making this lesson for you. So I'm actually preparing, writing down some notes here in front of me and creating or constructing and recording this video for you to enjoy. So to further understand the action verbs, we'll look at the common collocations. So collocations means that a group of words that are usually found together, especially when you're speaking and writing in English. So let's look at do first. For example, the word course. I will do an English course in the summer. This means that you're actually going to enroll or sign up for the course, study the course, and then take an English exam. So you are doing the course. All of these things are part of the coursework. Then the next word is best. An example sentence is try and do your best. For example, you finish the summer course and then someone wants to wish you well before you take this exam. So they would say, do your best or try and do your best. Our third word is business. For example, someone would say, I would like to do business with you. This means that they would like to sign a contract or sign a deal with you, and then they want to work with you. So to do business means working together with someone or somebody or many people. And then the other word would be good, as an example. For example, you could say, this person does good work. So this person is actually performing or doing an action that is really good and it's making you really pleased with that work. Moving on into make, we have some example sentences. Let's take the word appointment. So, for example, Brenda over here, she was feeling sick, so she called the doctor to make an appointment to see him because the doctor would give her medicine or some medical advice to make her feel better. Then after Brenda was feeling better, we'll take the word arrangements and use it in a sentence. Brenda decided to call up her friends again and make arrangements to have dinner with them. So you make arrangements or you make plans or you organize plans. So making arrangements is actually talking to people and then agreeing on what to do next. The next thing or the next word is certain or sure. For example, Brenda wanted to be 100% sure that her friends would come to the dinner plans that they made. For example, she would say, I just need to make certain or I just need to make sure that all of my friends are going to come for the dinner. The next word is choice or decision with make. You would have to make a decision on the type of dress you're going to wear. So Brenda would have to choose or make a choice on the dress she would wear. She will make a decision or make a choice on the type of dress that she will wear. And then let's say they're at dinner. Then she would say something like, oh, I like your dress too. This would mean that they are making comments about each other's dress. So when you comment on somebody, you make a comment, you don't do a comment. And the last word would be excuse. So Brenda, all of a sudden, during dinner with her friends, she didn't feel too good again, so she made an excuse. She would say, excuse me, I would like to leave. I'm not feeling too good, or my cat needs me. So that's making an excuse or leaving the table because you want to go attend or do something else. So to summarize our lesson for today, we have to remember that do is for performing an activity or obligations. So things that you do regularly or repetitive tasks. For example, doing your homework, doing the shopping, doing the cleaning, and so on and so forth. And then make, on the other hand, is for performing or constructing something new. For example, we make art. So you're actually constructing or creating something new. Now in Hungarian, do would be csinálni, the action or activity. So every time you're thinking about saying something like csinálni in Hungarian, you would have to say do in English. And then make in Hungarian could be both készíteni or csinálni. So whenever you're thinking about creating or constructing something, think about csinálni or készíteni, making or creating something. So no more saying sentences like, I'm going to make my homework. You're going to do your homework because that is an obligation or a repetitive task. And then there's no more saying, I'm going to do my bed. You are going to make your bed. So remember, you're going to fix your bed, lay it out neatly, and make it look good for the other person or for yourself. Remember, make your bed and do your homework. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Think about this while I actually go do my hair. See you in a bit. And then we have make. I want us to take a look at before we delve into this grammar. If you're so considerate, write it down, but you know, don't. It could simply mean,
One.
What do I say? I forgot. And also, do can be used in non-specific tasks. So, for example, do good. Ma.